age doesn't look the way it used to. It's less obvious now, more gradual, subtly self-confident. Why shouldn't anti-aging be just as subtle? Discover Sculptra Aesthetic, not an overnight miracle. Long-lasting, not a quick fix. Sculptra Aesthetic is the injectable that replaces lost collagen gradually to give you a naturally subtle look without giving you away. And Sculptra Aesthetic can last up to 2 years. After all, you didn't age overnight. Why should you anti-age overnight? Temporary side effects may include injection site discomfort, redness, bruising, bleeding, swelling, or bumps. Lumps with delayed onset with or without inflammation have been reported. Bumps and lumps typically resolve without treatment. Sculptra Aesthetic. It's anti-age for the modern age. To learn more or to find a Sculptra-trained specialist, visit sculptraaesthetic.com.
Hi, I'm Dr. Ben Tittle in Dallas, Texas, and today we're going to treat a patient with Sculptra. It's a collagen stimulator that is a very unique way to treat aging. We're going to treat Glenda. I take their pictures each time they come in for the treatment so they can see it. Sometimes people are astounded how much their face has improved because they forget what they look like.
The before and after pictures are the clearest example of the effects of the loss of collagen and the shrinking caused by aging. Dr. Tittle treats areas that are often neglected by some procedures. For instance, the base of the nose loses support and sinks into the face over time. This slide shows how Sculptra, injected at the base of the nose, restores balanced facial musculature. Your cheek pads and mandible are also prime areas for treatment to stimulate new collagen growth and restore facial harmony.
I think when you're a very active person like I am, and you work out all the time and you feel good and you don't really want to look your age. So I think when you do these kind of products and do these preventative measures so that you don't have to have surgery, it just makes you feel better about yourself.
We're going to start out by marking the areas where I'm going to put the local anesthesia. I'm going to treat her right temple. I'm going to treat her right cheek, the base of her nose. In Glenda's right temple, I'm going to put some 1% xylocaine with epinephrine. You're treating the entire face because the entire face ages, and this product allows me to do that and get a result that I think bridges between fillers and surgery. So there's very little downtime. It's a very gradual improvement so that people don't look at the patient and go, "What did you have done?" They just look at him and go, "Wow, you look really good."
Sculptra Aesthetic is the missing link between fillers and surgery for patients experiencing the normal structural and volume changes associated with the aging process. At about 35 years of age, some of the cells that make collagen begin to decrease production. At 45, some of these cells actually start to degrade collagen. Sculptra works by helping these cells make collagen again. Essentially, Sculptra is spread over the face to stimulate new growth.
So I'm going to treat the temple first. She doesn't need very much there. Her temple volume there is very good. The water that the Sculptra is mixed in gives me the visual of what it's going to look like over time. So we've finished treating Glenda's right side now. Basically the anesthetic will wear off in about 20 to 30 minutes. Tell the patients not to exercise today, but tomorrow they can resume normal activity. She'll do facial massage where basically you're helping just to spread the product around a little bit for 5 days, and that's very simple to do. I've actually had this treatment done myself 6 times, and it's worked very well. The process takes several months, for the collagen to respond. They don't object to that because they're okay with gradually looking better. From the standpoint of volume overall, just tightening people's skin without giving them some volume can make them look overdone or pulled or stretched. And by adding volume, even without doing surgery, you can make patients look remarkably better.
While everyone responds differently to treatment based on many factors, the cost for this amazing product is based on the amount of Sculptra required. The result will be increased volume that's translated by a youthful appearance that will last for years.
I've referred a lot of friends to Dr. Tittle. usually because they want to do whatever I'm doing. They will say, "What are you doing? You look so, your face looks great," or you know, and you know, you just look fresh and you know, younger. And so, what are you doing? Because I want to do it. So I'll say, "Well, you need to go see Dr. Tittle."
Thank you for watching today. As you can tell, we're very excited about Sculptra. It's an excellent product for treating aging and the signs of aging. If you have questions about it, feel free to call us. We'll be glad to answer them for you. Thank you very much.